Hey guys, welcome back to this video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change your profile picture and also how to change your password option. So yeah, I know it's been a really long time since I uploaded last video, but it's simply because I've been really busy with life. But you guys don't have to worry because I'll do my best from now on to upload daily videos for you guys, and if I can't do it daily, then I'll do my best to upload minimum of 3 videos a week. So yeah, like I said, let's get right to it. I don't want to waste your time, guys. I really hate wasting people's time, so let's get right to it. But before I do that, I just want to say and talk about the logic behind making a profile picture. So the logic behind making a profile picture is we need to first create an authentication, a login and registration page. So we can log in each user, and each user can have their own profile picture alongside with their name and also a changeable password option. So there's two ways to do that. We can also code it manually. Inside our controller, we can manually create a login page and a registration. We can code it here, or what we can do is we can also install Laravel packages. Now I'm gonna go with the Laravel package called Breeze, and there's another package called Jetstream. So I'll just give you guys a quick definition of like what these packages are. So Laravel Breeze and Laravel Jetstream, they're both used for authentications, and they both basically do the same thing, which is authenticating our system. So but the slightly difference is that Breeze is much more lighter than Jetstream, because Jetstream has a few more options than Breeze. But in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can install Breeze, because it's much more lighter and it's easy to use for beginners. So to do that, you guys have to go to Laravel documentation and then just type in Breeze. Now once you're here, this is the command for installing Laravel Breeze. So I'll just copy this command, and on my terminal I'll paste the command right here. It's not going to take much. It's not that heavy. It's about a few MBs, I think. So let's install this. Okay, there we go. It's successfully installed inside our system. Now let's run the php-artisan breeze install command. And now it's telling us that we should run the npm install command. So npm install, and then we also need to run the npm diff command and also php-artisan migrate. So it will migrate the tables inside our database. So let's just open the database. I'll close my Safari. This is our database. Inside the users table, as you guys can see, there's a few things inside the users table, such as name, email, password, and all that stuff. Now when I hit the php-artisan migrate, it will give us these tables, but since I already have it, when I run the php-artisan migrate command, it's not gonna migrate me anything, and I will show it to you guys. So the npm is going to install. It takes a little bit of time because I don't know how much npm is. I think it's about like 15 MBs or something. But yeah, anyway, so yeah, npm is installed inside our project. Now let's run the php-artisan migrate command, and there you go. So you guys can see nothing to migrate, but if you run it inside your project, it will migrate you these tables and these attributes inside this table. Now let's run the npm run diff command to run the dependencies and stylings and all that stuff. Okay, there we go. Now let's run the php-artisan migrate command. The artisan serve command. My ports are busy, so I'll just go with this one. Let me close that one. So as you guys can see now, this is our project, like the main page, and these two options come with installing Laravel Breeze. So I'll just click on login, and as you guys can see, this is the login page and this is the registration page. Now one more thing I just want to say is that we need to customize this, and I will show you guys the most easiest way. But for this video, that's all you need to know about Laravel. In the next video, I'll show you guys how to customize these.